Hey, son, what are you doing on the computer?
Oh, hey, Dad. Just playing this new game. It's awesome.
Again? How long have you been playing?
I don't know, maybe an hour or so.
An hour? That's a lot. You should take a break and do something else.
But why? It's not like I have anything else to do.
Listen, we need to talk about your gaming habits. It's getting out of hand. You have plenty of things to do. You have homework, chores, hobbies, friends. You can't just spend your time on games all day.
What do you mean, Dad? I'm just having fun. And I don't want to do homework. It's boring. And I already did my chores this morning. And I don't have any hobbies or friends that I like.
It's becoming a daily thing. You spend more time in front of that screen than doing your homework. You have a lot of talents and interests, and you have many friends who care about you. You just need to give them a chance and try new things.
No, I don't. And it's not like I'm failing or anything. I can handle it. The only thing I like is playing games. They make me happy and relaxed. And they're not a waste of time. They help me learn new skills and improve my reflexes and creativity.
It's not just about grades, son. I'm worried about your overall well-being. Spending too much time on the computer can affect your social life and your physical health. Games are fine in moderation, but they're not a substitute for real life. You need to balance your screen time with other activities that are good for your health and development. Playing games too much can have negative effects on your mood, sleep, attention, and social skills.
Come on, Dad. That's not true either. Everyone plays games. It's normal. I'm fine, Dad. I don't have any problems with my mood, sleep, attention, or social skills. I'm just different from you and other people. I don't need to do what everyone else does to be happy and successful.
I'm not saying you can't play at all, but moderation is key. You need to find a balance between gaming, school, and spending time with friends and family. You're not different. You're just missing out on reality. You're hiding behind a screen because you're afraid of facing the challenges and opportunities that life has to offer. You're missing out on so much by playing games all the time.
I don't see what the big deal is. It's just a game. I'm living my life the way I want to. And please, Dad, don't tell me what to do. It's my choice, not yours.
Look, I get it. Games are fun, and I'm not trying to take that away from you. But there's a whole world outside of that screen, and I want you to experience it. And it's not your choice, it's your habit. And I can tell you what to do because I'm your father and I love you. And I want what's best for you. And playing games all the time is not what's best for you.
What do you mean? You don't know what's best for me. You just think you do. And playing games all the time is what's best for me because it makes me happy. And that's all that matters.
No, that's not all that matters. Happiness is important, but it's not enough. You also need to grow as a person and contribute to society. You need to have goals and dreams and work hard to achieve them. You need to have meaningful relationships and experiences that enrich your life. You need to have a sense of purpose and fulfillment that comes from doing something worthwhile. When we used to go hiking or play board games as a family, we had some great times. I miss that, and I think you do too.
Yeah, I guess so. But I have all those things, Dad. My games are my goals and dreams and work. My online friends are my meaningful relationships and experiences. My gaming achievements are my purpose and fulfillment. My games are my life.
I just want you to have a well-rounded life, buddy. Balance is crucial, and I think you'll be happier in the long run if you find it. Your games are not your life. They're your escape. And they're not real. They're virtual. They're not satisfying. They're addictive. They're not healthy. They're harmful. They're not helping you. They're hurting you.
Stop saying that. You don't understand. You don't know anything about me or my games. You're just an old-fashioned and ignorant person who hates technology and fun. By the way, I'll think about it, Dad. But this game is really important to me right now.
Fair enough. Just promise me you'll consider what I said, all right?
Sure, Dad. I promise.
Son, didn't we talk about taking a break from the game?
Yeah, I know, Dad. But I just want to finish this level. It won't take long.
Son, I appreciate that you're trying, but it's important to stick to your commitment. Remember, balance means not letting the screen time take over.
But I've been good all day, and this is the only time I'm playing.
I understand the appeal of the game, but it's crucial to follow through with what we discussed. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose of finding balance.
Okay, fine. I'll log out after this level.
You know, son, finding balance isn't just about limiting screen time. It's also about being present in other aspects of life.
What do you mean?
Well, when you're playing the game, you're in a different world. But there's a whole real world out here with people who care about you. Don't let the virtual world become more important than the one right in front of you.
I guess I never thought about it that way.
It's all about mindfulness, son. Being aware of how you're spending your time and making sure it aligns with your priorities.
I get it, Dad. I'll be more mindful from now on.